Imagine your latest project, a beacon of innovation suddenly compromised by unseen cyber threats. Every project, regardless of size, is a potential target. Ignoring cybersecurity can lead to devastating data breaches, financial losses, and reputational damage. Consider the real-world consequences of neglecting cybersecurity in project management. A single oversight can unravel months of hard work. Let's explore why cybersecurity is not just an IT issue, but a business imperative. Cybersecurity is crucial for protecting your assets and ensuring project success. Robust measures shield your data from threats, safeguarding your business's future. Discover how proactive strategies can mitigate risks and enhance your project's resilience. Think of cybersecurity as your project's invisible armor. Without it, you're vulnerable. With it, you gain peace of mind and a competitive edge. Next, let's discuss how ISO 27001 certification can elevate your credentials. ISO 27001 certification is a globally recognized standard for information security management. It showcases your commitment to cybersecurity excellence. Arrakis Consulting offers accredited training to help you achieve this prestigious certification. By gaining ISO 27001 certification, you not only enhance your credentials but also demonstrate a proactive approach to cybersecurity. This certification can be your gateway to new opportunities and partnerships. Arrakis Consulting brings over 25 years of expertise in cybersecurity. Our tailored solutions ensure your projects are secure from start to finish. Contact us today to learn how we can protect your business and enhance your cybersecurity posture. Let's secure your future together. Visit arrakisconsulting.com or email us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com. By partnering with Arrakis Consulting, you'll fortify your projects and gain a trusted ally in cybersecurity.